Hey, Mr. Green?
Yes.
Hey, this is Clifford Walker. You spoke with my partner Mike about possibly selling your place over on Rosewood?
So did I do what now?
You spoke with my partner Mike about possibly selling your property over on Rosewood. I want to chat with you a
Yeah.
little bit to kind of see if we'll be a good fit to work together. What
Okay.
what got you interested in selling it?
So what's so why am I selling it?
Yes, sir.
I don't live there no more. I live in Fort Wayne, Indiana.
Okay. You made a big move from Memphis.
Oh yeah.
Nice. So is the
600 miles.
okay. Is the property vacant? Kind of what's going on with it?
It's vacant.
It's vacant.
Yeah.
Is it in pretty good shape?
It was livable when I moved out of there.
Yes, sir. How long ago was that?
About a month.
Oh, it's been about a month.
Yeah.
Okay. So it sounds like this is something you're wanting to get done pretty quickly, right?
I wouldn't mind it. My next door neighbor got the key. She's looking out there.
Okay. Well, the good thing about working with us, we can definitely get this done quick for you. What price point or kind of ballpark figure were you wanting to get for the property?
I wanted 30,000 for it.
30,000?
Yeah.
Is it 3-bed, 2-bath? Can you give me a little of those details?
Yeah. 2 baths.
Okay.
Living room and dining room joined together. A washroom, a kitchen.
Okay. If I'm able to get you your price point, is this something you're wanting to move forward with today, or is there anything that's kind of holding you back?
No, it never hold me back.
Okay. Was the roof leaking, or is it in pretty good condition too?
No roof leaking.
Okay.
When I moved out of there, it was fine. I don't know why it wouldn't be fine now, because ain't nobody staying there.
Ain't nobody staying there. Okay. Are you the only owner on it?
Yeah, well, let's see. I'm saying, I'm making payments on it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm the owner. I'm the only one that owns it.
Okay. And HVAC, all that's pretty good?
So what now?
I said, and the HVAC is pretty good?
What's the HVAC?
The AC system? Is there an AC system on there?
You got what? I got wall heater.
Okay.
One in the hallway and one in the living room.
Yes, sir.
And they dynamite.
So what made you take that move? 600 miles.
My daughter live up here, and I was the only one down there. My family live here, and she kept whining, you need to come up where we can look after you. I'm not a plain chicken, so.
Yeah.
I lived here before, see.
Yes, sir. So go spend some time with the family.
Oh yeah, well I got my own place up here.
I love it.
They want me close up here. I got 2 sisters, a brother, and 2 kids.
Okay.
With nobody missing but me.
Yes, sir. I love it. Well, do you know what the payoff is on it?
No, I don't.
Okay. But I'm kind of pulling up some numbers a little bit here while we talk. And I don't think that we're too far off. Are you dead set on that 35 or 30?
That's what I had in mind.
Because
What do you have in mind?
just looking at the numbers quickly, it's looking like we'll be at like 22K cash, and then I can cover all the closing costs as well. Is that something that you're open to? And then we can get this done for you. What is today? October 20th. So we'll have it done for you within 3 weeks before Thanksgiving.
Let me let you talk to my son-in-law. He's been talking to somebody, so I don't wanna have two people trying to buy the house. You know, we've been bumping heads. I don't want to do that.
Yes, sir. Are you with him now?
No, but hold on just a minute. Let me see if I can get his number while I'm on the phone.
Yes, sir.
I used to know how to do that. I don't know if I'm why now. Just hold on. Let me see what happens.
Yes, sir.
Just hold on. No.
I'll tell you what.
Hello.
You're not able to get his number?
I don't know how. You just know how, but yeah. I'm talking. I usually just talk to one person at a time. I can give you his phone number.
Okay. You got a pen and paper with you?
Yeah, hold on. Okay, I got a pen. I don't know if it's gonna write or not.
Well, we're going to have to find one that right. Let me know when you're ready.
I draw the line. So let's see what happens.
All right, I love it. My name's Clifford Walker. I want you to remember who you're talking to. 469 523
523.
Yes, sir.
523.
1785. And I'll tell you what, call your son-in-law and have him give me a call back real quick. And I might get myself in trouble for this, but I'll go ahead and round our number up to 25 cash and cover all the closing. And so that way I can let him know that and I can get the offer sent over to you this afternoon.
All right. Let me give my son-in-law a call.
Okay. Give him a...
You said 1785 was the last number?
Yes, sir.
494.
469.
523.
No, sir. 469.
Oh. I ain't got enough numbers now.
No, it's 469. We gotta get the numbers. We'll get it right.
Let me try it again with me. 4
6 9
6 9
5
what is it?
5 2 3
Okay.
1785. And what's your son-in-law's name and number?
Anymore, I don't know no phone numbers. You know, it ain't like we were in the olden days.
Yes, sir. I don't think nobody knows phone numbers no more.
But that's your number you just gave me, right?
Yes, sir. That's my direct sale.
Let me see. 469
Mm-hmm.
523 1985
1785. 1785.
Okay. Let me call my son-in-law and have him to call you.
Okay. I'll chat with you in a bit.
All right.
What's his name?
Kermit?
Kermit?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna be sitting by the phone waiting on him.
All right.
All right. Chat with you soon.
Oh my gosh. So